Have you ever sat down to work and felt your brain shut down? You're not lazy. You're trapped in a neurological loop. You know you should work, but the more you think about it, the more paralyzed you become. Most people give up here. They wait for motivation. But you're only 5 seconds away from breaking this cycle. Let me show you how. To fix procrastination, understand your brain. You have two systems. The prefrontal cortex is your wise brain for planning. The limbic system is your feeling brain that craves pleasure and avoids discomfort. When you face a hard task, your limbic system creates fear and resistance. So your brain offers escape, distractions, dopamine, something easy. Most people fail here. They check social media. They watch another video, but not you. Not today. Here's the trick. In 2011, Mel Robbins discovered the 5-second rule. When you feel the urge to avoid something, you have 5 seconds to act before your brain talks you out of it. Count backwards. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Move before resistance builds. The countdown interrupts the habit loop, moving you from feeling to doing. Simple, but not easy. Practice it like a muscle. When resistance hits, count down and launch. Don't think, don't analyze, just start. But here's the test. When you start, resistance increases. You'll feel trapped. Break through. That line is a mental construct, not reality. The anxiety is your brain lying. Every time you push through, you weaken fear. Every time you avoid, you strengthen it. What you practice, you become. There's a version of you that does hard things. That version doesn't wait for motivation. It creates it. Put on that cape, not because you're perfect, but because you showed up. That's all it takes. You don't have to climb the whole mountain today. Just take one step. Complete one task. That action creates momentum. Celebrate it. The brain responds to rewards. Victory can be small, but it must be real. Distractions will come. Your brain will tell you to quit, to rest, to take a break. Swat those thoughts away. They're just noise. Track your wins. Every day you practice the 5-second rule, you rewire neural pathways. You become a person who acts. Soon, resistance quiets and focus amplifies. Your brain is plastic. It changes. Every time you choose action over avoidance, you grow new connections. You're planting seeds. The more you practice, the stronger the action pathway becomes, and the weaker the fear pathway gets. Then comes the breakthrough. Motivation doesn't come before action. It comes after. Action creates motivation. Level up. You're not who you were 5 minutes ago. You've proven you can do hard things. The comfort zone is seductive, warm, safe, but a prison locked from inside. Unlock it. Step out. The discomfort is growth. It's becoming someone stronger. You'll always face a choice, easy path or growth path. Choose growth. This journey isn't about perfection. Some days feel heavy. Just show up. Even for 5 seconds, every time you show up, you're becoming whole. Action builds momentum. Momentum builds confidence. Confidence builds more action. It starts with one decision. Look back at where you started. That paralyzed stickman was you, but not anymore. Celebrate your inner child who was scared and wanted to give up. Tell them, we made it. We kept going. Plant your flag. Claim victory. You rewired your brain. You changed your identity. Time is precious. The 5-second rule gives you control over what you do with it. You've graduated from the school of excuses and the university of, I'll do it tomorrow. You're now a master of now. Design your future by building, brick by brick, task by task, 5 seconds at a time. In the end, you find peace, not because life is perfect, but because you trust yourself to act. The treasure was never the finished task. It was the courage to start, the discipline to continue, and the strength to persist. When you're older, you'll regret what you didn't try. So don't wait. Start now. Every great story begins with a single step, a moment of courage, a decision to break the cycle. Your journey is the story only you can write. Here's your challenge right now. What have you been avoiding? What scares you? What conversation do you need to have? Count down with me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go. Take action right now. You've got this. I believe in you. Thank you for watching. Remember, you are 5 seconds away from changing your life. Don't waste them. Subscribe for more. And as always, start now.